Hello, I'm Farah, Director of Applications here at Cambridge Mechatronics. I'm here to talk to you about our Lens Shift OIS product demonstration. CML entered the optical image stabilization market in 2019 with the Huawei P30 Pro smartphone, which uses the Lens Shift OIS product. This actuator product is powered by our 4-wire shape memory alloy technology, also known as SMA. The Lens Shift OIS actuator, which you see in my hand, works by shifting the camera axes in the X and Y to compensate for a handshake introduced by the user. It uses 4 SMA wires, thinner than a human hair, and a minimum number of components, which results in a very compact form factor. You can see a close-up of the Lens Shift OIS actuator in motion behind me, which shows the actuator without the camera lens fixed to it. The white lines in the middle are there to make it easier to see the movement of the actuator. The actuator has one static part, one moving part. The lens would be mounted to the moving part. The wires are held between components known as crimps. These can be found in the corners of the actuator. The SMA Lens Shift OIS design is readily scalable for 1/1.56 all the way to 1-inch image sensor formats. To date, over 50 million actuator units have been shipped into numerous handsets for more than 7 major brands, with many of the camera receiving top scores by independent testing experts such as the XO mark. The current Lens Shift OIS achieves a compensation angle of 0.8 degrees or more. This is achieved by moving in X and Y axes to compensate for a handset shake. And the 4-wire technology could also be used to compensate for handset rotation. CML are also working on extending the compensation angle to over 3 times its current stroke, and I would like to show you the amplified technology in a future clip. Thank you for watching.